Welcome back to the channel. Bitcoin is crashing down to $94,300. As everybody was expecting $100,000, everybody now is panicking. They're thinking that the crash is about to come. And in today's video, I'm going to show you what's happening right now. Where do I think Bitcoin could be go down to? Where we're going to see a rebound. And also, I'm going to answer if Altseason has started. So if you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe, hit the like button because we post one video every single day about crypto trading and investing. Guys, let's have a look what's happening right now. Bitcoin is sitting at $94,300, had a drop of around 7 to 8%. And the reason why Bitcoin dropped was because of the news that Donald Trump is going to sign documents to charge Mexico and Canada a 25% tariff, and also to China 10% on all the products that are going to import and export for the United States. And apparently, the reason why Bitcoin had a drop is because of this news about Donald Trump. But let me tell you something, guys, that the market is manipulated and is controlled by big boys, by big entities who decide themselves when to buy and sell. And to me, we had a pump from $54,000 to $99,000 in roughly 7 weeks. So to have a little bit of a pullback right now is completely normal. But the question is, what are you doing right now? What are you doing that our season is coming? What do you do whenever you see this drop? Do you know when to buy? Do you know when to sell? Well, guys, our VIP group knows all of that. And as you can see in our Discord community, guys, these are my members making those kind of results every single day. Why? Because they are prepared, because they know when to buy and sell. We are a community of professional members, but also we deliver Bitcoin analysis every single day, altcoin analysis, your favorite altcoins long term for the Altseason if you're an investor, guys. If you want trading calls, if you want everything you want to know about crypto trading and investing, if you want to make millions in this Altseason, the place that you have to come, you got to join the VIP group, guys. This is the landing page over here. There is a little trailer on myself. You can see how it's inside, and also there is trading results for the past 8 months. I'm going to put a link in the description below, but join us, guys. It's going to make a huge difference. And now let's go back into BTC and let's see what's happening right now. So what I can see right now, this could be a very small short-term consolidation, simply for the fact that whenever we broke this very important level of resistance, we never had a substantial retest. We broke this area here, which was around the $90,000 to $89,000. You can see we basically pierced all of this. We close above, and right now BTC looks like is about to go and retest this area over here. So what I could be thinking right now in the short term, what I could be seeing could be a very short-term pullback, down to this area, to then, of course, recharge the batteries and then to go higher again, maybe around $105 to $110,000. That's going to be very good and very healthy for BTC. And right now, what I can see right now, I'm actually not concerned at all. We can even have a look, more short-term, what's going on. But at the same time, those who bought Bitcoin in $95,000, $100,000, guys, you are really, really, that was the worst time you could have entered crypto. Right now at $95,000, I have people in my group who entered at that time. And the thing is, what you should have done was to buy BTC when I told you, when it was at $50,000, $55,000, and not right now that is pretty much super extended. But let's see, today I'm going to help you, I'm going to make you understand where we're going to find a proper local bottom. So right now, Bitcoin was going into a beautiful ascending channel over here. It was a parallel channel, ascending channel from here. And right now, it looks like, we broke down the channel. We closed below and doesn't look there is any signs of recovery yet. In short term, what I could be expecting from here is going to be BTC to potentially trying to climb back up around this area over here. So to do this, try to climb back up again. I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller so you can see better. Try to go and recoil and probably try to go back up about this area at $96,300. And then from here, what we need to make sure, that we're going to be able to go and reclaim this channel over here. Because at the moment, guys, I would say that BTC is really hanging on a thread. So in general, when you see this strong movement to the downside, what do you see? The second day, you're going to see a little bit of a rebound, up to here, and then you're going to see another push to the downside. So if I had to guess from this point over here, what I could be seeing for BTC is going to be potentially today a sort of a ABC correction. So the A has started over here. So what I could be seeing, I'm going to go and show you very well, taking my little tools. It could be like a sort of a B, and then C correction down to here, where C is going to be around $88,000 to $89,000. But as I said before, if you're going to be able to go and have a nice rebound to the upside and then reclaim this area, which is around $97,000, then we could be going and, of course, reclaim all-time high. But of course, if you're going to go up to here and then I have another rejection from this area because we're going to try to reclaim this channel, then that could be a probable ABC, where C is going to be the last point of our corrective wave, touching around $88,000 to $89,000. And in that level, what I could be seeing could be, first of all, because of this previous resistance over here, which now is support, I could be seeing a nice pump from this area. Also, what we can do, we can calculate our Fibonacci retracement. You can see the 38% around 87.1.5. It matches exactly this point over here. So long story short, if you're gonna go around this level at $87,000 to $88,000, I'm expecting BTC to have a strong rebound from there. So I could be seeing maybe something like this, a bit of a recoil up to here, another movement to the downside, and then final push to the upside. And the question is, guys, what are you going to do if BTC, instead of doing that, is going to go and continue to go down? That's why, guys, the VIP group is the place to be, because we discuss this every day in our crypto chat. We got everything over here, and we never leave you by yourself. That's why it's very important to be in a community of professional traders. So that's what I can see from BTC, guys. The most likely scenario, as I said before, I could be expecting right now a little bit of a bounce, maybe going up to this area, try to climb back up this area again. If this one is going to fail, of course, we could be seeing more downside, but if it's going to be able to reclaim, then we're going to continue to go higher. And I can tell you already, guys, I'm going to be already in a long position from here. Again, in the VIP group, we discuss exactly the point we're going to go inside, and then we're going to see how we're going to go. But of course, the short-term correction is probably going to be short-lived. We are in a bull market, we are not in a bear market, and in general, you can see this little correction follow up by very strong push to the upside. Now, let's talk about Altseason, guys. Altseason, you can see that Bitcoin is losing its dominance a little bit. What I was thinking is that looking at the chart from here, I was expecting a potential drop, down to this area, as I highlighted this around last week. And you can see that from here, we could be going down around 58%, maybe have one last push with the dominance around 62%, 63%, and then, of course, drop to the downside. But once we're going to be able to break this channel over here on the weekly chart, so we're going to lose the 58%. We're going to go down to here. Then it's going to be the initiation of a cascade where BTC could be dropping its dominance and going down. And this one could correspond to a more significant correction over here. I'm going to show you what I think could be happening with BTC when Altseason is going to start. So my theory will be that BTC could find support around this area, could go up maybe up to, let's say, 105 to 110,000, and then it's going to have another breakdown maybe to, let's say, 85, even $80,000. Could be dropping even like 15, 20%. And that's going to be the time when altcoins should go ballistic. So the Bitcoin dominance, again, once we're going to break this one over here, this is Altseason, guys, Lamborghinis and Moon Boys. This one is Bitcoin keep going and making new highs. Altseason hasn't started yet. Next one I want to show you guys, very important, Ethereum. Ethereum as well is going to, of course, confirm the beginning of Altseason. Lots of people are very bearish on Ethereum, and of course, I am super bullish because everybody's bearish, typical contrarian view. And what I can see with ETH right now is that I'm focusing on two very important levels. So number one is going to be this one over here. You can see that we are about to break an important level of resistance. And if Ethereum is going to be able to go and close above this area over here, 3,400, 3,500, then the next level is going to be around 3,000 $900. We could be seeing from here a big push to the upside from here. Then, if you're going to be able to break this level here as well, then is when I'm expecting a parabolic move to the upside. And if I actually had to guess how high that could be going to, we could be seeing ETH to go and roughly reaching as a first target area over here, which is around $5,200, which is slightly higher than the previous all-time high of ETH. Of course, longer term, I'm expecting higher targets, maybe $7,000, $8,000 for Ethereum, but that's what I can see. I want to go into levels. First level I'm expecting is going to be a clear break of this diagonal resistance over here, going around 3,900, then a little bit of a pullback from here, maybe down to here, and then a clear breakout up to 5,200. And then from there, of course, we're going to continue to go high. Ethereum looks, in my opinion, it has a chart that looks incredible, really. It looks like a proper, some people would say like a cup and handle. I think it's more of an inverted head and shoulder. You can see the shoulder here, the head over here, the shoulder over here. When this is going to go, guys, it's going to go crazy. Like I would say, really $7,000, that could be a very viable target, if not much more. And next one I want to show you guys, very important, the S&P 500. Of course, as well, stock market is very important. We can see right now we are into a sort of a, I would say like the finish of a blow off top, which we could be reaching around 6,400, 6,500 by the end of December 2024. And after that, I'm expecting a more significant correction. Again, we can't really predict the future, but what I can see right now is that basically we are into this what we call parabolic blow off top. You can see the steep, the angle of this blow off top is just becoming steeper and steeper, and what I could be seeing could be the top around this area over here. And the last one I want to show you, very important as well, guys, the DXY dollar currency index. So that's another very important measurement. You can see the DXY is ramping up higher, but at the moment is fighting resistance. So my theory is that with the DXY we are going to be seeing another drop, potentially doing this, and then this again going down to roughly 95 to 96. And if that happens, of course, stock market and crypto market should be going up like crazy, because all the money is going to be taken from here and is going to be placed into stocks, crypto, and more like risk assets. And the last one I want to show you as well is the US 2 years treasury yield, the treasury yield bond as well. You can see that we have drawn this head and shoulder pattern with the retest over here. We had retested this area, we had a rejection from here, and I'm expecting this to go down. And when this one goes down again, guys, as I said before, that's really is inversely correlated with Bitcoin and crypto. And what we could be seeing could be, of course, when this one goes down, we're going to see crypto and Bitcoin to go up. So overall, guys, everything looks very, very good. I wouldn't be surprised if you're going to go and front run from here. I can tell you already, I opened like a small long position already, and I really see, I want to see how it's going to go. But I also put some other buy limit orders, which is all written into our VIP group. Let's see how we're going to go from this. And of course, guys, if you want to learn the way we trade, the way we operate, the way we were able to predict everything about this bull market by the top, I've been calling BTC for 90K for a long time. What you can do, you can come on our website, Freedom Trading Academy, and watch a free masterclass. You can go on the homepage over here, and you can see, click watch free masterclass, and learn how you can make more than 20+% per month in under 4 hours per week, utilizing my strategy called the $1 million strategy, which I'm probably going to rename very soon, $3 or $4 million strategy. But right now, we can call it like this. So it's a 15 minutes free training. I'm going to show you how you can make really these results, how you can identify crypto and stocks which could multiply 300%, 1000% in 1 year, and also how to really find and make lots of money into this bull market. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.